How to buy Brawl Pass with gems. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Brawl Pass with gems in your Brawl Star account. So first of all, just open your Brawl Star account, and after that just simply log into your account using your Supercell ID, and just go to the shop section from the left hand side of the screen in your Brawl Star game in the home screen. And once you're there in the shopping page in your Brawl Star account, just simply scroll down and explore different options that are available there. So since you want to buy Brawl Pass with gems, so the first option that you will see right in front of you is Brawl Pass, and you can also see the amount of the Brawl Pass that are there in order to buy it. So when you click on it, you will see that there are two options that you can go for. The first one is the entry amount for buying the Brawl Pass, which is at around $5.99 for one, and the advanced level Brawl Pass is for $8.99 or something. And after that, when you come back to the shop section again, and when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the gems pack right here. So as you can see that the price of the Brawl Pass and the gem star is quite different. So if you want to buy Brawl Pass using your gems, you need to collect a lot of gems in order to buy individual Brawl Pass. So if you have only one gem pack, which is the initial one, you won't be able to buy a Brawl Pass with that. So once you have enough gems in your Brawl Star account, just simply withdraw the amount of the money that you have in your bank account, and after that just simply come back to the Brawl Pass section, and after that just simply click on it and just choose the one of the Brawl Pass that you would want to buy. For example, you want to buy the first one, just simply click on it, and as soon as you click on it, the payment method section will appear right in front of you as a pop-up menu, and from there you need to simply choose the payment method option that you would want to go for. For example, you have withdraw your gems from your Brawl Star account into your debit or credit card. So just simply choose your credit or debit card in order to make the purchase for your Brawl Pass that you want to buy. So this is basically how you will be able to buy Brawl Pass with your gems in your Brawl Star account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.